6WIN VSR is a virtual service router that leverages 6WIN's core technology to deliver network software solutions into virtual and cloud environments securely, efficiently, and cost-effectively. 6WIN VSR enables communication service providers, internet service providers, mobile network operators, neutral host providers, enterprises, cloud providers, and data centers to benefit from our leading high-performance and secure network services for building efficient, flexible, and reliable networks. 6WIN VSR product suite consists of Virtual Provider Edge Router, Virtual Cell Site Router, Virtual Security Gateway Router, Virtual Firewall, Virtual BNG Router, Virtual CGNAT Router, Virtual UPF, Virtual Border Router, and Virtual CPE Router. 6WIN VSR software solutions deliver multi-service offerings, advanced networking and security features, increased deployment agility, high performance and scalability, optimal resource usage, and low TCO. 6WIN is leading the way in virtualized networking software solutions.